Okay, so come to question number F. So question number F is find the average distance per hour covered by Kapil in a day if he walks 75 kilometer in 5 days. So same question, you can solve this question in two different ways. I will solve the questions, I will teach the two different ways. Okay, so find the average. So the distance is given 75 kilometer and total time is given 5 days, but you have to find the average distance per hour in one day. That means again you have to convert the days into hours, and after that you have to multiply it by them. Okay, so question number F, given total distance covered by Kapil is 75 kilometer. Okay, again number of days or total time, that means number of days given 5. Okay, so already like the previous one, we know that 1 day equal 24 hours. Okay, so therefore number of hours in 5 days equal what? 5 into 24 hours, that means 120 hours. Okay, so distance covered is 75 kilometer and number of hours is 120 hours. So directly you can write that according to the questions language, that is therefore the average distance per hour, therefore the average distance per hour covered by Kapil in a day equal you can write a sentence or you can directly write 75 kilometer divided by 120 hours. Okay, so divided by 5 15 is 25, so 5, this one is what, 24. Okay, again you can divide by 3, 5 3 8. Now 5 divided by 8, so 8.50, so 8 6 is 48, 2 20, 8 2 is 16, 4 40, so 8 5 is 40. Do this rough work. Okay, so that means 0.625 kilometer per hour is divided per hour. So this is the average distance per hour covered by Kapil. Okay, if you write this one per hour, then you can write directly 625 kilometer, but this unit kilometer here and hours here, so 0.625 kilometer per hour. This is the one pattern again. Okay, again we can solve this question in a different way also. Okay, so given total distance covered by Kapil in 5 days. In 5 days you can write, or if you not write then it also okay. Yes, 75 kilometer. Okay, so number of days equal 5. Okay, so now you can at first find the average distance in one day. Average distance per day you can also find. Okay. Okay, so therefore average distance covered by Kapil per day, that means 1 day per day equal, so total distance covered by Kapil divided by number of days. Total distance covered by Kapil divided by number of days. Okay, so total distance covered by 75 kilometer and number of days how many? 5 days. Okay, so when you divide it becomes 15, that means 15 kilometer per day. Okay, that means in 1 day the distance covered, average distance covered by Kapil is 15 kilometer per day. Okay, but our target is we have to find the distance covered in kilometer per hour. Okay, so we know that 1 day equal 24 kilometers. So therefore 5 days equal what? 24 kilometer into 5, so it becomes 120 kilometer. Okay, so therefore you can write for average distance okay, so no need to write this on 5 days. 1 day equals 24 kilometer, no need to write the 5 days because already we divide 15 kilometer per day. That means per day means 1 day, so 1 day. Okay, so 1 day equals 24 kilometers. So therefore distance, for average distance, therefore why not multiplied by 5? Because already we divide 75 by 5, so remaining part is 15 kilometer per day. That means 15 kilometer divided by 1 day. Now we will convert this day into 24 into hours. So average distance covered by Kapil per hour is equal to what? 15 kilometer, and in 1 day how many hours? 24 hours. So now divide 15 by 25. Okay, divide 3, it becomes 5, it becomes 8. Okay, so now again divide 5 by 8, do the rough work. 50, 8 6 are 48, 20, 8 2 are 16, again 4 40, so 8 5 are 40. Okay, there is actually 5 you cannot divide by 8, that is why you divide decimal here, then 0 come here. So already I think all of you know this, learn this in class 4. Okay, so that means 0.625 kilometer per hour. Okay, you can solve this question like this also. I think the first one is very easy, so first one is more easy. Okay, so I think all of you solve this question by the first way. Okay, thank you.